a thing that you got in the mail.
This is an ideal time to plant and a great time to consider a new landscape provider.
Sit down.
So this is what I found in my mailbox today from Hoffman Landscapes. A blend of creativity, craftsmanship, and care for distinctive properties. This is an ideal time to plant and a great time to consider a new landscape provider. My team and I are from the Stanford branch of Hoffman Landscapes, are in the area and would like the opportunity to help you develop and maintain your property. Let us get a jump start on 2016 by getting involved now. Services include landscape design and install, weekly maintenance, irrigation, lawn and plant health care, snow plowing, deer and tick controls, and even more. Every client in Greenwich gets a property manager, and yours would be Joe Bamberger. He becomes your main point of contact. All crews are uniformed, leaders speak English, and we have close to 100% labor retention. The people you see today are likely to be the people you see tomorrow. Precise estimating systems and time tracking allow for incomparable bidding, billing, and no surprises. Equalized maintenance payments, March through November, allow for easy budgeting. Policy does not allow for any work to occur without prior consent. So again, no surprises.
They're gonna ask you each and every time that you're gonna need to do something? Yeah, right. You're gonna have surprises.
Check us out at www.hoffmanlandscapes.com for no obligation property review and maintenance estimate. Please call my cell 203-943-9491 or email scott@hoffmanlandscapes.com. Thanks again for your time.
So are you gonna do it, or are you gonna mow your own lawn and plant your own flowers?
I actually enjoy taking care of my own lawn and flowers. Why would I let anyone else do it?
Well, you know, it probably works great if you know, you have to spend all day at work and your neighbors are complaining that your lawn's running wild, but
my neighbors prefer to do their own also. They say nobody else just gets it right.
well, no one knows what you want.
No, they wouldn't, would they?